Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. What you're looking at here is one of the many capture pages that I use to promote the Power Lead system. With the Power Lead system, you have access to different templates or capture pages that's already at your disposal for your promotion. With these capture pages, when you promote them, whichever one you choose, when a person put in their email address and their name, you can also revise it to just to capture the email address, because a lot of people don't like to put in name, email address, and phone number. A lot of people like to keep it simple and just put in their email address. When they do, then the system will start sending out messages on your behalf. You have pre-written messages also ready for you to use. Now, this is one of the capture pages. I'm going to show you another one. This is another one. And all these capture pages are representing the sales page or the product or the business opportunity that I programmed it to represent. And you can do, with that said, you can aim your capture pages to whatever you want to aim them to, if that makes sense. In other words, if you want to connect this capture page to your product or your business opportunity, you have the option to do that inside of the Power Lead system. This is another one that I use. And once you promote these capture pages, you have funnels, like I was saying, messages. You can choose the messages that you want to go out with these capture pages, with the capture page that you use. Here are the capture pages right here. And I'm having fun with this system because I love what it does. It's an automated system. You can be at work, you can be downtown, you could be at the mall, or you could be out jogging or fishing or whatever. Your system is constantly working for you. These are the capture pages that you can use. Again, like I said, you can program them into promoting just a space for the email address, or you can select the one with the name and email, or the name, email, and phone number. It's up to you. Now, here's your campaigns over here. Let's look at your campaign. Okay, just like if we were going to send a funnel campaign, you can choose a campaign. All these represent different messages that will go out for you. You can choose whichever one you want to choose. If you're promoting the system and your primary business, you could select this one right here. And Lead Lightning is the beginning part of the Power Lead system, where you don't have to pay but $7 one time. If that's all you want, you're getting a capture page and an autoresponder, messages that will go out on your behalf to promote Lead Lightning. And whenever someone sign up for Lead Lightning, then they become your recruit, and you're getting paid $6 out of every $7 that's spent. I just love this system. I don't mind promoting every day. These are all the leads right here, the contacts that I've gathered in. You can see that my list is growing. And I want to show you, I'm going to back that up with showing you some of my results. If I can, let me go back over here. Okay, here it is right here. Today, June the 3rd. On June the 2nd, let me show you today's date. Today's date is Saturday, June the 3rd. And I'm sitting at home. Sitting at home just enjoying working on the computer. It's 6:22 a.m. Okay. This is my results right here. As you can see, this is a gold member. I'm going to put a gold star right there. A gold member came in on June the 2nd. This is 2017. And I go on down, I can show you more gold members, but all these others represent leads that I'm getting by promoting the system. There's another gold member. There's a lead lightning for $6. Like I was telling you, you gain $6 on every member that comes in from your promoting lead lightning. And we'll show you where to promote your business at. It's no problem. You join up with me and then just shoot me an email or give me a call. There's another gold member right there. There's another lead lightning, $6. Another gold member there. Another lead lightning. Right here is another lead lightning, another lead lightning, another lead lightning. Lead lightning, as I said, is the beginning part of the Power Lead system, but I loved it so much when I first joined, I upgraded immediately. There's another gold member. When I show you the gold members, that means that I'm making a residual income each and every month. And if they join today, I get paid this week. You get paid weekly as well. There's another lead lightning, another lead lightning, another lead lightning, another gold member there. There's a silver member, $15. That's a residual. There's another lead lightning. There's another gold member. So you see it's working for me, and I'm not bragging, but you can do the same thing. There's another lead lightning, another gold member. It goes way back to the 2016, another gold member. Another silver member right there. There's another lead lightning, another lead lightning, another lead lightning, another lead. And here's a diamond member. And that's another gold member. So you see it's working. And the diamond member, you automatically get paid over $100 for the diamond sign up. But anyway, this is the way I do it. I use my capture pages, and I make a monthly income and a weekly income whenever someone come in. They sign in, they become my lead, and they receive messages on my behalf through the system. And when they sign up, that they become my recruit. You can do the same thing. It's simple the way we do it. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Click on the link below to get started. You can start with $7 if you want to, and you don't have to go no further. But if you're a marketer, you're going to want to advance inside of the Power Lead system by joining as a gold member. All right, you all have a good weekend. Have a good day or night. Bye-bye now.